When morning silence is broken by the roar of a diesel engine, it's evident that a new delivery has come to town. While some may be mundane, it's clear that this delivery to Buncombe Street was, well, doggone special.
Today we took delivery of our new kennel facility that something we've been kind of working on for a couple of years, and we finally found a really good, suitable way to approach this plan. So we've been using this really old facility here. I estimate that's probably at least 50 years old. So that facility's kind of it's gone past its useful life, and we had to find an option to replace this. So we found a prefabricated building that was made in Pennsylvania, and so we ordered that and had that delivered, and here it is. And we do have to do some more site work. We're going to do some gravel and a parking pad and some fencing.
Occupants of the old kennel were certainly excited about the delivery. With 10 kennels, the new building more than triples current available occupancy. As it was rolled into place on the concrete pad prepared in advance, the building received a thorough inspection from Chief Hamby, Animal Control Officer Scott Rutgers, and Maintenance Supervisor Dan Fowler. From climate control to easily accessible plumbing fixtures, the building was deemed a tremendous and economical addition to the city.
Over the years, we were looking at more of a permanent building, and as we worked with a couple of architects, we realized that the costs were just going to be astronomical, and we found this option of a prefabricated facility, and we looked at what our needs are, and that met everything we needed. So we're saving a lot of money by buying the prefabricated building. So I'm estimating we're going to be at least $100,000 under budget when all this is finished, and we're going to end up with everything we needed. So we're very happy with the route we've taken, and pretty excited about getting it open.